ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಂಡೇ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, the weekends, and I was pretty confused on where to go. I was just chilling on Saturday. I couldn't do anything. I was just resting, and I was like, let's not waste my whole weekend just sleeping. Rather go somewhere, explore a bit, probably make a video along the way. So I was just scrolling Google Maps, and I came across this pretty cool place, which is not really far from here. It's like 50-ish kilometers. So today I'll be going there and taking you guys along with me as well for this short trip. From the photos what I've seen, from the Google Map photos and everything, it looks pretty cool. Hopefully it'll be cooler in person. First I need to get out of Bangalore. The weather is looking pretty chill. Started raining a bit. Just wearing my jacket, that's all. I don't have a pant, so if it gets a heavy rain, I don't think it would, but I'll be drenched. Anyways, it'll be fine, I guess. We'll see. Finally in the main road now. It took me forever. I didn't want to record anything. Anyways, I'll take a small chai break somewhere near. Or should I take it once I get inside? I think I should take it once I get inside the road. Just open roads, no more traffic in the sense it'll be there kilometers is there still for the location. And then Google Maps is showing 20 minutes, 27 minutes. So it won't take that much. Riding in the villages is always so peaceful, man. But you can't ride really fast because you never know what can come out of anywhere. Look at this, man. So calm. We are at the birds. We are about to reach. I think we can go further up. I think further up is possible, but I'm happy where I am.
After reaching the top, I just wanted to see what was it like near the lake because I could see a road that like was near the lake as you can see in the video. So I wanted to go there, but unfortunately it's not allowed for some reason. So for the time being, just enjoy this short montage of the nice roads of this place.
People are going over there.
After this, I just stopped at near one of the shops to see how the dam is like, but as there was nothing in front, and I enjoyed the fish. The fish was really good, and that was the whole trip. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and thank you for watching it till the end. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.